Yeah.
Go.
Hey guys, we're at the sandpit, and somewhere, like over there, we heard this moaning sound, and then we heard banging and scratching on metal, like that stuff. So me and Grayson came to come check out what it is.
Guys, look at this. Like diamond. Let's see if we break it. Yep, it's sand.
Okay.
Guys, comment down below if I should break this.
Wait, honestly, I think this dude just came back to freaking.
If he comes here, you're dead.
Hey, guys.
A ninja star.
So
God, this is my
we are
ninja star.
at the sandpit where we heard the sound, and freaking, I saw this truck. This guy was looking at us, and it looked like he was slowing down to turn around and stuff, but I don't think he was. So, and we're good.
We're good.
Grayson, I need to film me.
Okay, guys,
Put that down.
Hey guys, go film it.
No. Right, you don't know how to vlog. Okay, so hold it like this. Dude, you're blocking it.
Oh.
Down here.
Like this? Oopsies.
Oh, like that. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? And he did it. And I'm going now.
Oh no. Not the camera.
Hey guys, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
Do it.
3, 2, 1.
Jesus. Whew. So, if any of you guys live in Maine, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications on to know when we post a video. And yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna do a front flip.
Hold up. Thought I heard someone screaming.
Guys.
Okay, so belt that like button, subscribe, post notifications on if you're new, and we're just gonna get back to playing around here. Okay,
Do some cool tricks. Bye. Peace. I already did.
No, the front flip.
Oh.
Like you said. There you go. Ooh.
Done. Now I did a cartwheel and a front flip. You do a back flip.
I can't do one.
No, how I did. I put my head close to the ground and I did a front flip. Go back flip like that.
Somewhere up there is where we heard the moaning sound. Oh, our cat's meowing. Marshall! Oh, there he is.
Where is he?
Right in there.
Oh.
Oh.
What's up, guys?
Okay, so
You just saw me chase down my cat. I gotta chase him down right now.
okay.
Hey, I'm after you, cat! Hey!
So son. think we should go now, Grayson.
What?
Come on.
Okay.
If you guys didn't hear that, I heard something down there.
I did hear it.
Somewhere down in there. Come on. Come on, Grayson.
See ya. Wait.
Like last time. We were here, we heard moaning sounds and banging on metal. We didn't know what that was.
Yeah.
So we freaking
Marshall.
we zoomed.
Come on.
No,
Dad,
he'll be
Marshall.
okay. He'll be okay.
Dad, where's my flip flops?
Where'd you put them? Oh, by your bike.
Oh, right here.
Okay. Trying to go. I can't. Okay.
See ya. Peace.
Okay. Okay. Sorry for the terrible view. I'm getting out of the me and Grayson are getting out of the sand pit. Oh, flip! Our cat's not afraid of anything, but oh, flip! Go. Sorry for the terrible view. The cat's never really afraid of something. He was running from the sand pit, and so that's not a good sign. So come on. And then what?
I think we should go back to his head real quick.
Nope.
Bye.
Fuck. Fuck, hornet for me. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I got stung. I got stung.
There's a
Stung?
Yeah.
like me. I got stung right here. Right
Oh.
here, stung.
Where? From where?
Way up there. We're
Up here?
standing.
Yeah.
Up here?
Yeah,
Right there.
we're standing. Right here? Right there?
Yeah. Right there in that area.
I don't see it.
Yep, that's where it is. Right there.
No, don't.
It stings.
Well,
It stings.
put a piece of ice on it. Put that ice pack on it.
Oh, crap. Sorry for my language, guys, but if I get stung, it hurts. So if I get really hurt, I swear. Crap. Oh, it hurts. I don't know how to freaking put this thing on. Sorry guys for my language, but I can't. It hurts bad. Very apologize for my language. But, dude, that thing hurt. Like, I had nothing to do with it. And it just came around flipping attacking me. Ah! have no idea how my mom put this ice pack on. Sorry for the terrible view, but oh, that hurt so bad. Wow, this thing doesn't even fit on me. Oh, okay. Then again, thank you guys. A lot of love. Guys, from the bottom of my heart, as always. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay awesome. Peace. Oops.